in another lonely town.
Okay, Google, shut up. Hey everyone, welcome to the Robbie Board Show. On this episode, I'm just doing a little bit of shifter making, as you can, as you want to call it. I like to use these Nexus 3-speed shifters for these 3-speed hubs I have. And I came up with an idea. This bike had some Shimano 600 shifter bosses already mounted and welded on here. And I came up with an idea. There we go. Here, over, no, back, there, up, yeah, right, there. See that? It's where a shifter used to be. Okay? So what I've done, haven't quite ground it down yet, so it's basically gonna fit in there like that, right? I still gotta go in a little bit more. And what it's gonna do is went and bought some M5 by 12. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna slide in there like that. Okay? And M5. Snug her up. There we go. Alright? And then this will just slide right over that. So, give me a few minutes. I don't want to show you guys my grinding skills because it's very primitive. And I got her all nice and cleaned up. It's not gonna, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's just gotta fit in there. So, yeah, perfect. Perfecto. Yeah, baby. Now, bring you on over here again. Oh. There. So, we don't need this on there yet. No. Whoa. Oh, this bolt is just a little bit too long. I'll grab a couple of these. This is a really good deal. I found a place in Burnaby. It sells good stainless steel bolts and nuts. And I got like 30 nuts, 30 washers, and 30 bolts for $8. Fucking cheap. So I'm just going to use a couple of washers from this bag here. Okay. We're just gonna try 3 washers. I may have bought the as you saw me putting on there at work, but I ground down some more. So it may be that's maybe the problem. So I may have to go get a couple more shorter bolts. Oh, look at how tight that is. And then I just snug this baby right in there. I am going to be getting a friend of mine is right now, we're just doing a prototype. I just wanted to see if he could do it. Whoop. Oh, Jesus Christ. I got to bend down on my fucking back. Oh. Okay. So, as you know, these go over this. So I've given him a shifter. So what I've done is I've asked him to make me a shifter, 3D printed shifter with just with threaded plastic. It's going to be plastic, but we're going to see if it works. And then it'll have so when this goes on like this, it'll slide over this like this, right? We're going to go like that. So this bolt does stick out a little more. So I'm probably going to get a flat button head bolt to put in there and a little shorter. Hey, by the way, I bought a few of them. So I think they're M12 the length. I'm not quite sure. Let's see here. So let's look here. So I need to get a shorter bolt. This is just under one. Let's see here. Just under 1/8, 2 3/16. So in that's American English, I guess. Yeah. In Canadian, it's 2 11/64. No, hey, that's what the fuck here. In millimeters, that's 55. I don't know what that means. I don't like metric. I don't know why, but I should learn it. But yeah, it's just under a hair of 2 1/8. So I need to get a shorter one. So probably a 2-inch one will work. But there we go. Oh, I need to tighten it up. Tighten her up. There we go. It's pretty strong. Pretty strong. Come on, get in there. Can't see the nut. Anyways, we'll look at it after. Now I'm going to have a nice little shifter here. But anyways, you guys, check me out on my Instagram, RAWBIE'S. Check me out on Facebook. Check me out on YouTube, RAWBIE'S Show. I got the seat done. Boom, boom, boom. I just need to take this apart, clean it up and paint it. Clean up these springs and the nuts and bolts and put her back together. And then I gotta go on to this fucking mess here. The wiring. I bought the wiring, got it all already, got everything ready. That'll be on the next one. So I'm off right now, guys, due to the fact that we are in a recession. We're becoming and getting deeper into this recession that is heading our way. Into it right now. I'm laid off and it hurts because I'm taking my holidays next week and I have no money for that. So peace out, everybody. Remember, helmets on, clip in. You can smell that rubber and just go, 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 go.
It's another lonely evening in another lonely town. Got another empty bottle